Hey, does doing jumping jacks like this hurt your knees or your lower back, or maybe running hurts, right? If you're doing impact exercises and they're hurting your body, stop doing them and do these 3 moves instead. Number 1 is the sit to stand. Simply stand up from a chair, make sure your knees are going the same direction as your toes, and don't round your back like this on the way down. Instead, keep your chest upright, push your weight into your heels, and repeat this movement to strengthen your lower body. Number 2 is the step jack. So it's like a jumping jack, but you don't jump. Step out, then bring your arms back together. Step out, arms overhead, step together, arms together. Just like this. Make sure you maintain a nice tall posture, practice it slow at first, and then make it a little bit faster to really work your heart and your full body. Number 3 is the frog deadlift. So with a nice wide stance, toes turned outward, push the butt back, put the weight on the heels, come down as far as you can without rounding your back, then press into the heels and stand up. And all you're gonna do is hinge through the hips, press in the heels, and stand up just like this to strengthen your whole posterior chain, the backside, the glutes, the spinal erectors, and make your body feel amazing. Because when you move your body better, you feel better in your body.